So now we learned about the Diophantain equation in two variables. It is also called as linear Diophantain equation, which is in the form of ax plus by is equals to c. So what is Diophantain equation? An equation is in the form of ax plus by is equals to c, where a is not equals to 0 and b not equals to 0 and c is an integer is called linear Diophantain equation in two variables. Here we have to follow the two conditions. If the GCD of a comma b has a solution, if and only if the GCD must divides a c. If a comma b is equals to d, if an equation having no solution, it means the the GCD of a comma b does not divide the c. The c is this term. So according to this, we have several problems and I make some solution regarding some questions. You can see and take the screenshot and learn it. See, first question is determine all the solution in integer of the following Diophantain equation. So if 172x plus 20y is equals to 1000. So first we convert this into ax plus by is equals to c form. Here a is 172, b is 20 and c is 1000. So first of all we have to divide this. The already we know that by Euclidean algorithm, first we have to divide the larger by smaller. It may be a or it may be b. We have to divide larger by smaller. So 172 is a larger, we have to divide by 20. We use only a and b. According to Euclidean algorithm, we have to divide the largest by the smaller. So according to division, we have to obtain the remainder as 12. Then obtained remainder will be divided by the a, that is 20. Therefore, we have to divide the first remainder. First remainder is 12, second remainder is 8. The second remainder will be divided by the first remainder. Okay, then again the third remainder divided by second remainder until the exact division is obtained. The exact division leads to the remainder 0. Therefore, so it is considered as the last non-zero remainder, that is 4 is the last non-zero remainder. It is a 0 remainder, it is a last non-zero remainder, it will become GC. According to Euclidean algorithm, b is equals to r plus aq. So by this we have to consider, so here b is considered as a middle element and it is a and some quotient will be obtained. AQ will be the product here, and according to division, B minus AQ will be remainder. R is equals to B minus AQ. So B is equals to, so taking this one to LHS AQ plus R. So it is nothing but B is equals to R plus AQ according to Euclidean algorithm. So by doing this, we have to take 172 now by, so this procedure will be taken in this form. So B becomes 172, remainder is 12, and A is 20, and 8 is Q. So this how much the division steps will be obtained, convert into the formula. Then taken GCD of 172 comma 20, that is 4. Then here D, so which is nothing but 4 divides C. C is nothing but 1000. So C, of course, 4 divides the, so the GCD of A comma B divides C. So 4 divides 1000. So by the condition, it has a solution if and only if D divides C, of course. So this equation consisting a solution. So to find out, we have to converse this. So we know that B is equals to AQ plus R and R is equals to B minus AQ. So therefore you have to converse this formula and convert it into remainder. So to get a perfect answer and perfect solution. So here I first taken 4 as a 4. It is a remainder and remainder is equals to B minus AQ. So here by converse of this formula is R is equals to B minus AQ. So 4 will be the remainder. First to take a GCD, and it is according to Euclidean algorithm, I have to reduce it into form B minus AQ. So then 12 remains as it is, and 8 will be considered as, according to conversely, 8 can be written as 20 minus 12 into 1. Okay, and it will be multiplied, that one, and 12 into 2 and minus 20 into 1, and 12 can be written as 172 minus 20 into 8. According to converse of Euclidean algorithm, we have to convert every element in the form B minus AQ. So until 172 and 20 obtained. Okay, see, we have to reduce this equation in the form of 172x and 20y. So this will be obtained, but C becomes, here C will be 4. So we have to convert it into 1000. So multiply 250 on both sides to exist this. After multiplying 250 on both sides, we have to obtain the equation which is in the form 172x plus 20y is equals to 1000. So by using this we have to find out, and x and y we have already find it. So here the x you get considered it as x naught and it as y naught. We have to obtain x naught is equals to 500 and y naught is equals to minus 4250. So now to get a positive integer solution, already the question will be says that determine all the solution in integers. So we only get the positive integer. So therefore x is equals to x naught plus b by d into t. So it is a formula we have to obtain the all solutions. So x is equals to x naught already obtained, that is 500, and b by d. So what is b here? 20 divided by GCD is 4. 4 5 are 20, and it is one equation. And another equation to find out y is equals to y naught minus a by d. So here it is plus b by d and here minus a by d. So it must and should will be remember, and y naught will be already obtained, and a by d is, so that is 172 divided by 4, which is 43. So to get positive solution we considered x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. So x is this equation, y is this equation. Substitute this, and you have to find out the t values, and t is lies between this one and this one, and what is the value of t, and that t will be taken in this equation x and y and obtain some values. So x is equals to 5, y is equals to 7 are the required positive integers. So this will be end of the next question. 56x plus 72y is equals to 40. So convert to form ax plus by is equals to c, and note down a, what is the value of a, b, c, and you have to by Euclidean algorithm divide larger by smaller, then first remainder by the second remainder by the, like this. So until the exact division will be obtained, and the last non-zero remainder will be the GCD. By Euclidean algorithm, b is equals to r plus a, you convert these steps into this formula and obtain GCD value, and then you have to clarify the d divides c, that is 8 divides 40. So then if it is divided, solution will be exist, and you have to make conversely, that is r is equals to b minus aq form taking GCD, and then convert all the terms, okay, by converse Euclidean algorithm by using this. So then up to where you have to reduce this, so this last equation will be from in the form of 56x plus 72y. So but here 8 will be the GCD will be saved. To get 8 becomes a 40, so multiply 5 on both sides. So then we obtain like this, and in the place of x and y we have, so here x naught and y naught, that is 20 and minus 15 will be obtained, and we have to find out all other solutions. So therefore you have to get a value x is equals to x naught plus b by d into t, and y is equals to y naught minus a by d into t. And to get a positive integer, make x greater than 0, y greater than 0. So be aware of this symbol. If you divide minus sign on both sides, so the sign will be changed, then obtain the t value, then you have to got t value. Another question, 18x plus 5y is equals to 48. Same procedure will be applied. So take the screenshot and work it out. Next question, 123x plus 360y is equals to 99. Next question, 33x plus 14y is equals to 115. Take the screenshot and work it out. So it will be the end of this Diophantain equation concept. Later in videos we have to discuss the congruency, Chinese remainder theorem, and Fermat's theorem and Wilson's theorem, and moreover.